It's the center of town.
Indian Canyon.
You've arrived.
You arrived.
We're here.
Oh, there is a mini building here. Mauni siya guys, ang Palm Spring. Karon magita mi sa among hotel ug asa na rong dapita. Found it.
Courtyard Marriott.
And there is Courtyard Marriott.
People van. It's the center of town.
Indian Canyon.
You've arrived.
You arrived.
We're here.
We here. We arrived. That's building.
Yay! We're here at Palm Springs. Palm Springs.
Palm Spring. Oh, casino parking. And this is casino. I not know what's that.
This is the casino.
Now we're just lost people driving around. Okay?
Okay.
We don't know where we are, Jay. We're here, but we don't know what to do now.
Yep. There is.
There's parking to a
Look at
random.
that there.
But don't park under.
That's why we call Palm Spring because they have mini palm. Oh, there is a mini building here. Mauni siya guys, ang Palm Spring.
What's this person?
What's that there? Hotel? Oh, mini building here. See?
Casinos.
Have casino here too.
Condos, restaurants. Police.
Police. Patola. Hilton. Oh, there, Hilton. That's I looking, honey. Have a swimming pool there.
$100.
159.
159.
Yeah, the two queens. 159 a night.
Breakfast. Lunch and dinner.
159 per night. That Hilton.
Now let's park over here on the right. Ready?
There. So expensive the hotel here
Oh.
because it's California. Californian is rich.
There's a cop following us with his lights on.
What if he did that by mistake?
There is. What's in there? Latitude. Latitude.
What if there's a person he sees in front of us?
He pulled somebody else over. Okay, we'll park.
At that there. Charan! Charan! Okay, that's it. We're looking for hotel now.
This is where we're staying, RJ.
Hi guys! Good evening! It's 6:40 PM now. Karon magita mi sa among hotel ug asa na rong dapita.
3/4 of a mile.
Kita mi sa Marriott sa Palm Spring, California, America. California, USA. I want to show you guys what's look like here. There you go. Onisha. Where's now the Marriott? A Marriott hotel.
I gotta make a right on Sunrise Drive.
Sunrise.
Sunrise Way.
Sunrise Way. Where's now Sunrise Way?
In a quarter mile, turn right onto North Sunrise Way.
Main highway. No, no, it's right there. Sunrise Way.
There is Sunrise Way. Here.
That's not. What a place to put a sign.
Turn right onto North Sunrise Way.
Oh, there is.
It's the main boulevard. A lot more traffic.
Yeah.
A lot of gas stations and everything here. Okay, now we gotta go all the way to
1,000 feet,
Canyon.
turn right onto East Keats Canyon Way.
Keats Canyon Way. Keats Canyon Way. Oh, there's a drugstore there.
Turn right onto
Oh, a
East
99-cent
Keats
store.
Canyon Way. Then you'll arrive at your destination.
Mommy's favorite. Oh boy, now we're. It's like I went around in a circle. What? 0.2 of a mile.
Where is it
There
now?
it is.
Here?
Courtyard.
This
No, courtyard.
courtyard. Where
Up
is
here.
it now?
A little one.
Oh, there
A
he
little.
is. You arrived. Here he is. He found it.
Courtyard Marriott.
And there he is. Courtyard Marriott.
People van?
Yep. People van. There he is. Okay. We go inside.
I gotta go park the car. Let's bring this up first.
There is.
They're recording.
Yeah. RJ, there's RJ. Yay! Go inside now. There is. Finally have a cart. Oh, there is inside. There is inside.
Here's the word, elevator. Yeah. What about the elevator? Look at narrow.
The arrow, RJ, where you go?
Where?
You not fine?
Huh. This is strange.
That's a long way, huh?
What's her number?
307 again.
Oh, this is nothing.
Push it? Oh.
You push up,
Push the
RJ.
bottom button, whatever it is.
There it is.
That was one button.
There's a pool
Where's the pool?
on the other side.
Oh, I think up here. Here's the back side. And there is. Daddy first, go.
I can't turn it. Go.
Three, RJ.
We're on the top. We're on the top floor.
No smoking.
The other place was like 25 bucks for parking.
Wow. Here, honey.
No, the other, at Hilton we went to, besides the 195 plus tax, 229,
And-
250. Maybe this is gonna be 180.
Here, honey, free parking. Honey?
No, $8.
Oh, $8.
The other one was 25 bucks.
My God.
307. Here?
Yep.
What do you put this across the wall?
A disco. A party. A party
You
here.
wanna ask another room?
It's up to you.